Hello viewers, and welcome to CHI-NEDUM piggery, poultry and fish farming. Today we are introducing to you what we call piggery milk tank. This is a piggery milk tank used as a supportive system for piglets which are newly born. Our piglets which do not have a good lactating mother, piglets that has a low productive milk mother. So you are going to use this. We are using this to help them in facilitating rapid growth. As you can see, we have drinkers, and I'm here to show you how these drinkers are installed. So we see how we install the drinkers. What I'm having in my hands is a drinker. We call it drinker. It's nipple. It's nipple. It's a drinker. It's called pig drinker. So patiently watch and see how it's installed with PVC tape. This PVC tape helps in sealing the leakages to avoid leakages from the thread of this drinker. So, and also this thread helps in holding it firm in the thread. So watch patiently and see how it's installed. Most importantly, any piggery farmer that is facing some challenges in milk production from the lactating mother, you need this to help your piglet. Otherwise, these piglets may suffer setback in growth due to insufficient milk, especially the pigs that sow with large litter. Like mine has 14 piglets. If you allow the lactating mother that has large litter to depend, so the